Bai Qingting is the most talented actor from China. His stage names are Xiao Bai and Bai. Bai date of birth is October 15, 1993. Bai age is 31 years. Birthplace of Bai is Beijing, China. Bai made his debut in 2014. By profession is a singer, model, and actor. Bai is of Manchu ancestry. He comes from a poor family. He began learning a few musical instruments at a young age. He attended Hongluo Temple Middle School where he concentrated on sports, especially basketball and music. He enrolled in piano lessons and at the national level earned a grade 10 proficiency certificate in non-professional artist assessment. He also learned how to play the guitar. He majored in recording arts and received his degree from Capital Normal University Conservatory of Music. As an intern, he would concentrate on his acting career during the school year. Bai began his acting career in 2014 at the Beijing Film Academy, where he received small roles in a variety of series. In 2016, Bai made his debut in the romantic film Yesterday Once More, which went over 100 million yen is just 3 days after its release. He gained popularity through the Who's the Murderer variety show. His role as Shin Kelai in the military romance drama You Are My Hero, which ranked first and received over 600 million views on Tencent Video, caused his fame to rise. Bai played in the 2022 film Reset. Within a week, it earned him the top spot on the character index list in the drama category, trended on Weibo, and had over 1.8 billion views on Tencent Video. He starred in the historical dramas Destined and New Life Begins, both of which were worldwide popular. His historical drama Always on the Move broke the prime-time record in 2024 and attracted 29.8% of iQIYI's audience, making it the most watched drama. By series, The First Frost ranked number 1 in the top 5 popularity list in 2025 and received over 8 million reservations before to its official release for its first look in the upcoming UQ Romantic C-Drama list. It was released within 2 days, setting a record for the fastest 10K popularity index on UQ. Early in his career, Bai sang the OST for his series. Bai declined offers from talent organizations because he desired his own career path. He made the decision to open his own studio and establish himself in the entertainment sector. He founded Beijing Lipan Film and Television Culture Media Co. Limited in 2017, which produced a number of television shows. Numerous domestic and foreign brands use Bai as their face. Versace fragrance, Montblanc eyewear, Louis Vuitton, Cartier, Tom Ford fragrance, Nescafe, L'Oreal, KFC, Oppo, and Red BMX China have all named him as their worldwide brand ambassadors. Before turning to acting, Bai first became well known as a model. He competed in modeling contests and received praise for his abilities. He was placed fourth in the top 5 actors in acting skills and second in the top 5 Gen Z celebrities. He came in at number 18 on the list of the 20 most handsome Chinese actors and the most famous and popular Chinese actors in 2024. Bai zodiac sign is Libra. Bai Chinese zodiac sign is Rooster. Bai height is 1.83 meter. Weight of Bai is 68 kg. Nationality of Bai is Chinese. Bai religion is not confirmed. Bai has an amazing black eyes. Bai hair color is also black. Bai blood type is A. MBTI type of Bai is ISTP. Bai net worth is around $10 million. At the moment, Bai is single. Bai Jingting Instagram account. On Instagram, he has 3.3 million followers. White Dove is his fandom name and blue is the fandom color. He collects basketball sneakers since he likes the game. LeBron James is the player he loves the most. His wax statue was presented at Madame Tussauds Beijing on August 20, 2019. He became the majority shareholder in Goodbye Brand Management Co. Limited, which he created on January 5, 2022. He detests mushrooms but likes spicy meals. He likes Beyonce and Eminem. His ideal partner would be someone similar to Zheng Xiang. Subscribe for more videos.